What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another update for you guys regarding the Forex Funder. So let's just get straight into the video. Now, as you guys are aware, the last video I made, I updated you guys about the Forex Funder, telling us that if we opted for MatchTrader as our preferred platform, we were going to be migrated that day. And everybody else who opted for TradeLocker, they were going to get it within the week. And then everybody else who opted for DXTrade or CTrader, you were going to get it in the following week. 2 weeks later, none of that has happened. So here's today's update. None of us are actually going to any of the platforms we chose except MatchTrader. According to them, we're all being moved to MatchTrader. Their reason being is this: they were not able to secure their licenses again, just like with Blueberry Markets. And so as a result, they're moving all of us over to MatchTrader. In the coming weeks, when they get their licenses, we will then be moved over to our preferred platform. To me, that's code for there's a good chance that's never going to happen. Stay here until we figure something out, if anything. They also said, please make sure to keep an eye out for emails, because every 15 minutes, new credentials are going to be popping out. And they said basically in a couple hours max, let's give it to the end of the day, let's say, everybody should be on MatchTrader with their credentials. They also said that right now, payment processing is back to normal. Please allow up to 3 business days for that. You guys, I won't lie to you. I have my thoughts right now and I have my speculations. I don't want to say anything right now. All I can say is do with this information what you will. If you do get your account, please comment below so we know. If not, let us know as well. But let's just say, let's be on the lookout. Okay? Even when we're trading, everything's flowing. Guys, have some backup plans. I have a weird feeling about what's going on. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.